Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to sign up for YouTube. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Go ahead and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to sign up for YouTube, tap open the YouTube application in the top right corner. You'll see a profile picture, tap on it, and tap on Sign In. From the pop-up, tap on Add Account. Now enter a Google account that you'd want to sign up to YouTube with. After you're done, tap on the next button at the bottom right. Enter your password for your account, make sure to type in the correct password. And you can double-check your password by tapping on the Show Password box in order to check your password. In case you forgot the password, tap on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset first. After that, tap on the next button at the bottom right, accept to Google's terms of service by tapping on I agree. Tap on Accept to confirm your selection at the bottom right corner once again. And after a few seconds, you have been signed up to YouTube with your Google account. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.